Howdy guys. So today I am trying something new. I decided that my white go-go boots, they get scuffs on them super easily, but online I saw that you can potentially use toothpaste to get off the scuffs, which are super hard for some reason on these leather boots, and they happen so easily. So from what I saw, and I just briefly glimpsed over, they said do not use the gel toothpaste, so I will be using I probably shouldn't be using this toothpaste, but I am anyways because it's what I have. It's the Crest 3D White, so it's probably one of the more expensive ones. So let's try it out. Putting some on a little towel. Now they said to put some on the shoe and use a toothbrush, but this is what I have, so we'll see. So I'll go for this back scuff first. It's working. Holy shit. Oh, it's working. Like, really well. You gotta scrub, though. And your feet will smell minty fresh. So just so you guys can see, it worked. It worked! Okay, well, you guys don't have to watch me scrub the rest of my shoe, but if you guys were looking for a way on how to clean or get scuffs out, toothpaste works. Have a good one, guys. Bye.